Ladies, as we gracefully embark on this new chapter of life, it's paramount to acknowledge and cherish the changes our bodies undergo during menopause. While this phase may bring shifts in weight distribution and alterations in body shape, it also presents an opportunity for us to embrace our unique figures with confidence and poise. Through the art of wardrobe choices, we can accentuate our strengths and feel beautiful at any age. Welcome to my comprehensive guide on dressing for your body type after menopause. Let's delve into the intricacies of celebrating our individuality through fashion. Segment 1: Women with long torso, short legs, and wider midsection. Let's begin with women who have a long torso, short legs, and a wider midsection. For this body type, it's crucial to establish your style goals. Here's a detailed breakdown to help you achieve a balanced silhouette. Elongating the legs and defining the waist. Start by opting for dresses with a high waistline that sits above your natural waist. This style choice helps to create the illusion of a defined waistline, thereby adding feminine shape to your body. Additionally, these dresses visually shorten the torso, creating a more balanced proportion between the upper and lower body. Complementing a larger midsection. Choose styles that complement a larger midsection. Look for garments that draw attention away from the midsection area, such as line dresses or tops with strategic draping. These choices can accentuate a more defined waistline while minimizing focus on the midsection. Shifting focus away from the midsection, emphasize features other than the midsection. Experiment with statement accessories, such as bold jewelry or scarves, to draw attention upward toward the face or neckline. Segment 2: Women with short torso and long legs. Now, let's address women with a short torso and long legs. Here's how to prioritize achieving balance for this body type. Experiment with silhouettes. Explore different silhouettes, such as wrap dresses or fitted tops paired with flared skirts. These styles can create a balanced and harmonious look while accentuating your long legs. Choosing the right length. Pay attention to the length of tops and jackets. Aim for tops that hit at the hip or slightly below to visually lengthen the legs. Avoid tops that are too long, as they can overwhelm the frame and make the legs appear shorter. Elongating the torso. Opt for dresses with empire waistlines or aligned silhouettes. These styles create the illusion of a longer torso while still highlighting your legs. Empire waist dresses cinch just below the bust, elongating the torso and providing a flattering fit. Are you looking to refine your wardrobe to better suit your body shape? Understanding how to dress to accentuate your proportions can make a significant difference in how you look and feel. Let's delve into some tailored advice, particularly focusing on women with shorter legs or longer torsos. Balancing shorter legs. For women with shorter legs, the goal is to create the illusion of length and balance in the silhouette. High-waisted bottoms, such as pants or skirts, can be a game changer. They elongate the legs and create a streamlined look, effectively balancing out proportions. However, for those with longer torsos, high-waisted styles may not be as flattering. They can visually shorten the torso further, which is why opting for mid-rise or low-waist bottoms is recommended. No defined waistlines for short torsos. If you have a short torso and long legs, selecting dresses with no defined waistlines can work wonders. Why? Well, dresses without a clear waistline can create a more balanced and harmonious look. A defined waistline can visually cut the body in half, exaggerating the appearance of a short torso and elongated legs. Align, wrap, and shift dresses offer a fluid and uninterrupted silhouette, helping elongate the torso and create the illusion of proportion. Choosing the right lengths. The length of your skirts or dresses can significantly impact your overall appearance. For women with long torsos and short legs, opting for skirts and dresses that fall just above the knee or at knee length can work wonders. This length elongates the legs, balancing out proportions and creating the illusion of lengthier legs. If you prefer not to show your legs, pairing these garments with tights is a stylish alternative. Tights offer gentle compression, smoothing and flattening the midsection for a more streamlined appearance. For those who prefer maxi skirts or dresses, selecting styles with a high slit can be a game changer. The slit helps break up the fabric, preventing the skirt from overwhelming shorter legs while still providing the elongating effect of a maxi length. Additionally, consider asymmetrical hemlines, such as high-low or handkerchief styles. These hemlines add visual interest and draw attention away from the proportions of the torso and legs, tops and lengths. When it comes to tops, it's essential to avoid ones that are too long, as they can make your legs appear shorter in comparison. Instead, opt for tops that hit at or above the hip to maintain balance in your silhouette. Let's talk about how to style different body types in a way that enhances proportions and creates a flattering silhouette. First off, imagine dividing the body in half visually. For individuals with long torsos and shorter legs, wearing tops or outfits that visually cut the body in half can accentuate the length of the torso. However, this can make the legs appear even shorter by comparison, resulting in an unbalanced proportion. These tops often lack waistline definition and can contribute to a boxy or shapeless appearance, which detracts from the lower body. On the other hand, for those with shorter torsos and longer legs, the opposite effect occurs. Tops that visually divide the body can make the torso appear shorter while elongating the legs. This can create a more balanced proportion and a sleeker overall look. To address these concerns, opting for a single color from head to toe can be incredibly flattering for both body types. This creates a continuous line, visually streamlining the body and giving the illusion of a longer, leaner silhouette. Additionally, wearing one color helps minimize attention to specific areas of concern, such as the tummy area, by avoiding contrasting colors or patterns that break up the outfit. Color blocking is another useful technique that can be utilized to your advantage. For instance, wearing darker colors on the lower half and brighter or lighter shades on top can draw the eye upwards, making the torso appear longer for those with shorter torsos and vice versa, for those with longer torsos. By mastering these techniques, you can effectively camouflage certain areas and accentuate your natural curves, regardless of your body type or age. Plus, monochromatic outfits and color blocking have a timeless elegance and sophistication, making them versatile choices for various occasions. In conclusion, understanding your body shape and how to dress for it can make a significant difference in how you look and feel in your clothes. So experiment with these styling tips and techniques to achieve a classy and elegant look effortlessly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion content aimed at helping you feel confident and stylish in your own skin.